What's really going on, guys? Ramon Sanchez right here bringing you guys the latest project. This house right here is in the city of Lakewood. It's 2 houses and 1 lot. So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough and kind of show you the things that we ended up doing to upgrade it to get maximum value for our sellers. I'm going to start on the outside. Why? Because as you can see the pictures on the outside, all of the grass was pretty dead. It was beat up really bad, mistreated. A lot of the sprinkler systems that was already installed previously were not working properly. So we had to put a brand new sprinkler system and a brand new sod in the whole house, and even had to put new planters on the outside. So you guys can take a look at the before and you'll see the after, okay? And as you come in the house, you're gonna find out that the house had different color, it had different floors throughout the whole house. We had to paint all of the house. We ended up doing all of the wainscoting with a pretty brown color. You guys will see that. And my recommendation is always paint them nice and white and make it look beautiful. The actual, the kitchen was it was all brown color. And believe it or not, right now what's in is the white. So we're gonna stick with all what's white. So we have to paint the whole entire kitchen into a white. How it makes a big difference, and people love that, and people will pay top dollar when they have something more modern, white looking. It makes it look really elegant and makes it look really good. Again, we ended up look at the floors. And we changed this. There was a lot of wood paneling in here. I told the seller we need to get rid of the wood paneling, take it all off, and make the house nice and bright and white. Okay, so that's what you see here. Over here, the same thing. That was brown, this window right here. I told them let's paint that white since we're doing all the white, and we're doing a silver, like a blue silver color on the walls. White ceilings, ultra white on the baseboards. And the bathroom over here, real quick. If you look at the bathroom, the door was on that side. We had to move it to open it up on this side, even though we had to put a farm door, as you guys can see that. We ended up doing a farm door here for the bathroom. And then we ended up doing reglazing. All of this was a dark brown color. All the tile that you see here, it was pretty bad. And so we got rid of we didn't get rid of the tile because we don't, again, I always minimize the cost and maximize the profit for my sellers. So I told the seller, instead of getting rid of the tile, it gets really expensive, let's go ahead and just reglaze it and make it look nice and beautiful. And this is a before and after, so you can take a look at that, okay? And then I think all we ended up doing here is getting rid of the old doors, and we put new 6-panel doors, as you guys can see that. And then we ended up upgrading the doors. We put the nice mirror doors only because it looks nicer, it looks more modern. And then we ended up putting all the new ceiling fans throughout the whole house. You can see that all the ceiling fans were all matching and make it look really beautiful. Make it look really nice. And then at the end, once the house is ready, guys, what I always recommend my sellers is staging the property. As you guys can see that, it was completely vacant. The tenants had already moved out, and I just had get my stager to come in here, put all the brand new furniture, make it look beautiful. And then the same thing we did in the back. Same thing, all we did in the back was just put all the new grass, because you guys get to see the before and the after. So we put all this brand new because there was nothing but dirt. It didn't look quite well. And in the back, all we did, because this is a brand new build out from the seller, all we did was stage this one, make it look beautiful, and make it match the front. And that's pretty much it, guys. So again, guys, I pride myself in helping my sellers to get maximum value, but at the same time minimize the cost so that they can get the best offer possible. And sometimes we ended up with multiple offers. Sometimes we get we set the new comparable in the area. If you need help fixing your house, if you need to sell the house for the top dollar, but you don't want to give away the house, you don't want to leave money on the table, give me a call. My number's going to be on here. You guys could get all my information on here. Give me a call. Do a free consultation. I don't charge for free consultations. I'll meet with you. I'll give you the highs, the lows, what we can do. If you want to sell the property as is and sell it to an investor, that's perfectly fine. A lot of people are doing that. But if you're looking to fix up the house and to maximize the value, and you need the resources, you need the finances, you need the money because you don't have that opportunity, that's what I'm here for, to help you, to make a difference, to get you the top dollar for your property. Thank you for watching again. again, if you guys know anyone that wants to sell their house or they want to, you know, buy a property, give me a call. I specialize in helping sellers fix up their houses and maximize the value, minimize the cost, maximize the value. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.